Hi, y'all. We are going to take a look at that independent reading component. So, during your independent reading rotation, once you sign into your HMH Teacher Central, I'm going to need you to come over to your bookshelf. Right here, your bookshelf looks exactly like your student's bookshelf. So, please click on the bookshelf, and if you'd like to complete this activity as a independent, you may. If you'd like to complete this with a partner, I'm okay with that as well. So please come in and pick a Lexile level range that you would like to work in. And I'd like you to find one of these e-reads. We're picking an e-read because they are short and they're only about 4 to 6 pages. So please choose one that seems interesting to you. You can take a look at an overview of them and notice the Lexile level. This is an e-read, and it is 2 to 4 points for that for your quiz, and then it is 4 pages. All the e-reads have the bottom are white, and then it also says e-read here. So I'm going to pick A Brother's Love. I'm going to read this one. Oops. Make sure that your bookshelf doesn't have 4 books in it. Sorry about that. Let's scroll up here. And we are going to remove this book. Yep. And then we can come back to those all titles. And I'm going to pick Brother's Love. Now, once in here, I'm going to ask you to do a couple things. When you're reading the story, you have your supports down here on the bottom, and here are your pages. Once within this, I have that double spread. I'd like you to come to the activities folder, and during this rotation, I'd like you to finish the quiz. So make sure you answer the quiz questions, and whichever quiz you pick, by all means. And please also finish that quick write as well. And after Ryan completed his walk, he was greeted by the news media. So, whichever one you choose, please fill this out. And like I said, you can use these as discussion points and talk with a partner, or you can read it independently. And once in here, I just want you to notice I do have some things highlighted. Those are answers to the questions. If you want to annotate that text, by all means, please annotate that text. And also, just so you know, you can also have this story read to you.
Hunter's
and
younger
this
brother,
is an
Braden.
excellent support to use for your students as well.
Hunter's
so please
younger
fiddle around
brother,
with them.
Braden,
And you have different
was born
speeds
with
here.
cerebral palsy. This is a much.
So have fun reading. And once you have completed that story, I'd like you to come to that Lamar Reese folder and make a copy of the independent, the Read 180 daily reading log. And once you make that copy, rename it with just your first name, or you can say group 2, group 3, whichever. If you want to give yourself a name, you can if you're doing it in partners. But go ahead in there and take a look at this. And for your Thursday, because it is Thursday, you're going to put your response for today and then the pages that you read. But down here, go ahead and pick one of these sentence frames. And whether you want to do your character, your theme, as a teacher, you would give them one that you want to work on, but I'm giving you the flexibility to pick one. And then go ahead and fill out that component for the day, and we'll talk about it when we get back together. So thank you so much and enjoy your time.